Right at the top of this video here about Optivell reviews and complaints. If you're looking up Optivell for eyesight, for vision, and you want to know whether or not it's a scam or legit or anything like that, here's what I found on this. So I saw a video online that resulted from a Facebook ad, and the video on primewellnessonline.com claimed that Dr. Ming Wang had talked about this product, about Optivell. If you're looking for Optivell reviews and complaints, this is something that is not backed by Dr. Ming Wang. It has no backing from celebrities, not that that matters, but no doctors, hospitals, or universities. That's what really matters. And so you might have seen something out there about this, but it is scam marketing. I'm not calling the product Optivell a scam. I'm not saying that at all. It could be a normal vision support formula, but there is scam marketing from affiliates or whoever out there, whether they're misusing the product from the company without permission or whatever's going on with that. I'm here to expose the fact that Dr. Ming Wang has nothing to do with Optivell. And that if you see something out there talking about, you know, there's a frozen berry protocol with blueberries or some sort of berry, and that if you slice it and do a 30-second ritual with the berry, that's going to be something that's going to be able to help your eyesight. That is a lie that scam marketers came up with in order to sell you on trying to purchase this or to believe in something. It's a scam recipe promise where, like, scammers do this all the time, where they take like a food, an herb, a spice, a fruit, a vegetable, a meat, whatever, and they claim that there's a ritual, a habit, a method, a whatever, and that it's going to be something that you can do for 7 seconds in the morning, at night, at bedtime, whatever, and it's going to be an amazing thing. And they kind of tie it together in like a keyword buzz phrase sort of a thing. And this is the odd frozen berry protocol that restores perfect 20/20 vision in weeks at any age, and it is not legitimate. This is something that's trying to sell you on the product with a lie that Dr. Ming Wang endorsed it, and that it's a frozen berry protocol, when in reality, the long video on this website that you may have seen ends without giving you a recipe. The recipe is a lie to hook you to watch the entire scam marketing video, and then they want you to order the product at the end, which again is called Optivell, and it's Optivell. It's supposedly a vision support formula. Again, I'm not calling the product a scam. I'm saying there's scam marketing claiming Dr. Ming Wang endorsed it, and he didn't. So if you're looking around for Optivell reviews and complaints, Optivell ingredients, Optivell, Walmart, and Amazon, they might sell it on their websites, but it doesn't make it legitimate. It just means third-party listings exist for the product. You're not going to find a Walmart store in your town. I hope that's clear. The website I saw also mentioned Mayo Clinic, Harvard Medical School, and the National Institutes of Health, but they don't have anything to do with this. They just mentioned them. It's never been featured on the Today Show, CNN, CBS News, or any credible medical publication or anything like that. Fox News or anything like that. 60 Minutes. You might see other scam videos propping this up in the future with deepfake visuals like they have with Dr. Ming Wang, and AI-generated audio, meaning manipulated lip movement, or fully AI-generated celebrities and doctors, and it's just not true. So whatever you see with this, my recommendation is that you go see an optometrist, an ophthalmologist, some sort of doctor. If you're like, I don't like doctors, I don't like big pharma. Okay, no one really likes big pharma, but at least go and see if you can ask a friend or family member, hey, do you like your doctor? Who do you go to for your eye doctor? Do you have an ophthalmologist? Oh, cool. And go see them. Don't fall for a textbook online scam about claiming a doctor endorsed something that he didn't endorse instead of going to see a medical professional in your town. Optivell reviews and complaints. If you're looking up the frozen berry protocol recipe, the blueberry recipe for vision or eyesight or anything like that, I hope that I've been able to help you out, because this is something that they're trying to sell you on, they being the scam marketers. I'm not saying the people behind the product are trying to do this, but they're trying to sell you on this, and it doesn't have legitimacy. And this product might change names in the future, and you might still see Dr. Ming Wang supposedly endorsing some sort of vision product, but you will not be able to find any information online anywhere else about Dr. Ming Wang talking about it, because he did not endorse it. So I hope that I've helped you out. Like, comment, and subscribe. The join button is down below. That's really big, but like is the biggest button. There's also a thanks button. That's the heart-shaped symbol. To the right, the thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. I'm going to mention it one more time. Optivell reviews and complaints, Optivell for vision, Optivell supplements, Optivell, if you see it with Dr. Sanjay Gupta or some other doctor, or, Dr. Peter Attia, Dr. Mehmet Oz, Dr. Phil McGraw, it's not true. They have nothing to do with it. So don't believe that if you see it. The frozen berry protocol recipe, the frozen blueberry protocol recipe for vision and eyesight, not legitimate. I'm repeating these things to try to drill this home for people who might need extra help. Leave comments down below, ask questions, and thank you so much for watching.